Good morning. I'm going to produce a couple of short videos on the Bridgeport milling machine with the PROTO Trak control. The machine itself, American-made Bridgeport. The ways and the condition of the machine are all excellent. The head sounds very good, variable speed. Manual quill operation, which is backed up by a third axis digital readout. Also the XY are manual as well as programmable, so you can use it as a manual mill or a programmable mill. The machine was configured by Bridgeport at their factory, and they used to call it a easy track machine, but we recently upgraded the control with PROTO Trak, and it's the same operation, but now it's a PROTO Trak Plus, and has scale feedback, which is nice on the machine because it improves the accuracy with the scale feedback. Has a control box in the back, which is great because it, with the transformer and the fuses and control system, it protects the servo motors. It's also set up, to turn on and off a coolant system. Has a electric lube system, which is great because a lot of times the machines don't get the lube if somebody doesn't remember to pump it, but this one's electric. It's a 48-inch table. The machine and the table are in great shape, and I'll do the second video now of the machine running a sequence.